Welcome back. Today I am going to be sharing with you something very exciting and very fun. So if you like psilocybin mushrooms, or if you're a psychedelic facilitator or a psychedelic therapist, or you work underground with mushrooms in any kind of manner, ceremonial, personal use in any way, microdosing even, I have something very exciting to share with you. So I'm not going to share all the details in this episode because I'm not sure if the details will be released to the public yet. But I wanted to let you know that my friend Sam Perry and I are teaching, I think it will be a 6-week program, a live 6-week program about the energetics of psilocybin. I am so excited because I personally have been wanting to teach a program on the energetics of working with psychedelics and sacred plant medicines for many, many years. Some friends of mine and colleagues have known that I've talked about this, but I did not want to be the one teaching it because I am not fully qualified to teach an entire 6-week program about the energetics of psilocybin or sacred medicines. But my good friend is. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. And first of all, I'm going to let you know, if you want to hear about this live program that I would consider a training, I don't think we're calling it a training. We haven't decided that yet. But if you are working in any capacity with psilocybin mushrooms, this is a training. I will tell you this. Sam has given me some tips and tools that I have never learned from any human being in the over 30 years that I've been working with psilocybin mushrooms. This friend of mine, his name is Sam Perry. He can be found a little bit on the internet, but not a lot. He is one of the smartest people I have ever known in my entire life. He's one of my good friends. He's also one of my healers, and he is a teacher of mine as well. He is the lead, I think he's kind of the co-teacher at Arbor Vitae Herbal School in New York, which is one of New York's premier or, top herbal schools that has been around for a long time. And Sam has spoken at conferences, herbal conferences, spoken on psychedelics. He has been working with various plant medicines for a long time as well. He is a devout Buddhist, regular meditation practitioner. He's also a teacher. And I have been with him in these kind of sacred spaces many times. And I started to notice that he had just this plethora of knowledge that I have never heard anybody else, even like my shaman from Peru or curanderas I've worked with. He just has this knowledge about plants that is unparalleled to anybody else that I've ever met. I'm sure there's others out there, but I will say this before I get into some details. The one thing that I told him, I was like, you have to teach this to people, is that he has a toolkit, an emergency toolkit that I have never heard about that anybody out there has had. In the many, many, many years that I've been working with medicines and sacred medicines, I have never heard of any of these things that he had in, our ceremonial setting. And this toolkit is for ways that you can help if there is, let's say, a crisis or something maybe goes wrong or someone's having too hard of a time. And no, this is not just give them ghost pipe and that's that. There's many different formulas, and what happened was I started witnessing him with this kind of secret toolkit, and I finally, I was like, what is going on? Like, what do you have here? And he's a wizard. He's a literal live human being wizard. I mean, trust me, when you learn from him, you'll see what I mean. He's just so smart and rich in knowledge, but he has all these little tools and kind of witchy tinctures and essences and a variety of, different plants that all do different things for different scenarios. And I told him, I was like, I don't know anybody that knows about this. Even the facilitators that we work with that have been doing this for a very long time didn't have this and didn't know about it until he came around. So I said to him, I was like, we have to talk. People need to learn about this, especially facilitators that are newer, or psychedelic therapists who have just been trained in some of these training programs, who have not gotten the full spectrum of training. I started noticing many years ago that the energetics was missing from a lot of training programs. So as a coach, a business coach in this field, this industry, as we would call it, I had a lot of clients who had gone through many of the different training programs, all the big ones whose names you know. They've either gone through it, or some of my former clients actually were teachers at some of those programs. And, there's nothing wrong with any of these programs, but let's all be honest, they're not giving the full spectrum of what you really need to know inside of psychedelic space when you're holding space, especially one-on-one space with clients, especially mushroom space one-on-one with clients. And as we know, there are a lot of people doing this work underground, doing it for friends, doing it even as trained therapists, but maybe didn't really learn much more than how to hold a safe space. There is so much more beyond that I think not, there are people that talk about it. And I think those of us who've worked in these realms a long time understand that there is much more to the story than just giving someone mushrooms and making sure that nothing goes wrong. There's a lot of energetics. There's a lot more to the story than, some may know about. And maybe you've heard little bits and pieces of like, oh, well, I understand this energy or the energetics of the human body, or somatic therapy modalities and the energetics of within the field of the human. So maybe you've heard bits and pieces. I know a fair amount, but, not enough to teach a whole entire program on it. So many years ago, I talked to a colleague of mine. I said, I really want to teach energetics of psychedelics or energetics of psilocybin. And I was originally talking to a friend about it who knew the energy piece quite well, but didn't really know psychedelics that well. She knew them a little, but not enough to really lead an entire program. Then I was talking to someone else about it, and I don't know whatever happened. We never launched it. And I actually might bring her in. Maybe we do a follow-up. But it was after really spending a lot of time learning from Sam, who, by the way, is someone I've known for a long time. I've worked with him myself. I do pay him myself for sessions. He is a trained herbalist and also has studied in Ayurveda, Chinese medicine, Western medicine, every kind of aspect of the human body that you can imagine. He knows about alchemy, many different lineages of healing and body wisdom in ancient ways, Tibetan medicine, kind of every tradition, like you name it, he pretty much knows it. I asked him recently if he had a photographic memory, and he basically wouldn't say yes or no, but I'm pretty sure that's what he has, because I have just never met somebody who's such a walking encyclopedia. But he's also put it all into practice. I mean, he is someone who's been working with psychedelics for a fairly long time. As have I. We're not new to this 5 years ago like a lot of people were, and there's nothing wrong with being new to this. But what I want to convey is that this is the absolute best person I could find to teach this. And not only that, it happened in just the way that it was supposed to. It just kind of manifested, and he actually had given talks about this. And from what I understand, is writing a book. And he said, like, I've already had this whole thing planned out. It's just that I'm the one who's out there in the public, and he's the one who's the wizard behind the scenes. So we're coming together to present this. We're going to make it very accessible, and it's a live program. And I can tell you, you will leave with invaluable tools and understandings of how to better serve those that you work with and yourself inside of settings with psilocybin. Whether it's ceremonial or one-on-one or clinical, it actually doesn't matter, because it's the same sacred mushroom and human bodies that you're working with and human energetic fields, right? So I am so excited to present this. And I will say, if you want to hear about it, be sure to sign up for my email list. That is where I announce most everything that I put out there in the world, is through email. You can actually download any of my free trainings. I have a free psychedelic in business training. I have another psychedelic training that I think is only $22. And then I also have another free gift about how to grow a coaching or healing business. If you download any of those, you will be automatically added to my email list. And don't worry, I only send about, a few emails a month, not too many. And if you don't already follow me on social media or Instagram, then please do so there. Beth A. Weinstein is my handle. So I just wanted to let you know about this. And we don't have the exact title yet. It is, as far as I know, called The Energetics of Psilocybin, with some kind of a tagline about, he keeps using the terminology grandma's kitchen, which I actually really like. He is a Westerner with a perspective, coming from North America. So we will address a lot of commonly found plants in your garden, in the kitchen, in the wild out here in North America. But he does know a fair amount about many different wisdom traditions, indigenous ways, and he will bring that into this program as well. Because I already asked him, I said, look, you're probably going to get some people saying, how are you a white male teaching this? But he's not teaching you about the mushrooms. He's teaching about how to work better with these mushrooms and the human body. Because as he puts it, the mushrooms, the journey, when you consciously ingest these mushrooms, it builds a bridge between the mushrooms and the human body and the human energetic field. So we can't just take these mushrooms without acknowledging this bridge that is made. And what he is going to teach you in this class, and I will have more information about that in our next episode, is really how to work with this bridge to better get results for your clients, to have a more powerful experience that is safe and safer than ever, and also lets you be more confident as a space holder, a facilitator, and also, by the way, as a participant. I learned something where I was like, oh my God, if I had known that for all these years, it probably would have made my experience much better. So we're going to address all the different things that happen, including the come on and how to approach it from different angles, why some people react to mushrooms in one way and then some don't, and then why certain things happen when you're under the influence of psilocybin, other people don't have it happen, and what it all is and how it's actually working in the body, so you can understand what's happening, and also how to work with a client to either mitigate it or make it at least a little more comfortable so that your clients can actually go deeper and have a more powerful experience. This is not about how do you get rid of the mushroom experience. That's not what it is at all. It's about how to better work with these sacred mushrooms for more healing and more confidence as a space holder, and also really more safety and harm reduction. So it's also going to be really fun because Sam is one of the best teachers I've ever met in my life. For years, I kept telling him, Sam, if you wanted to be a famous YouTuber, you could be, because I could just listen to you talk. Everybody I know just loves listening to him speak. He's so brilliant and so entertaining with lots of stories and lots of anecdotes and lots of historical facts that really inform his teaching. So you will be learning factual knowledge about how to work with psilocybin in a better way to serve yourself and others. And I hope you will join us. Please be sure to sign up for my email list to learn more. And you will be experiencing an interview with him in next week's episode. We might even make it a 2-part episode so you can really get to know him and all of his knowledge. And if you have the precious opportunity to work with these sacred mushrooms, I really encourage you to give our very accommodating, fair, fun program a try. And I hope to see you there. Many blessings to you.